In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of the Perplexity app on iPhone. If you're switching accounts, troubleshooting, or just want a little extra privacy on a shared device, logging out is quick and simple. I'll walk you through it step by step, and along the way, I'll point out a few helpful details so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the Perplexity app on your iPhone. Make sure the app loads fully and you're on the main screen. A stable internet connection helps here, since the app may need to reach the server to process the sign out. Next, look toward the top left corner of the screen for your profile icon. This might appear as a small circular avatar, your initials, or a user silhouette. Tap that icon to open your account area. This is where Perplexity keeps your profile and app preferences, and it's the quickest route to the logout option. From the profile area, tap Settings. You should see a gear icon near the top left indicating you're in the right place. Settings is where you can review things like account details, app behavior, and privacy options. We're only heading here to access the sign out control. Now scroll down through the settings menu until you see an option labeled Sign Out or Log Out. The wording can vary slightly by app version, but they do the same thing. Be careful not to confuse this with options like Delete Account or Clear Data. Those are different and far more permanent actions. You're just looking for Sign Out. When you see it, tap Sign Out. In many cases, the app will ask you to confirm this action just to make sure it wasn't tapped by accident. If you get a prompt, tap Sign Out again to complete the process. After a moment, you should be returned to the app's sign-in screen. That's your confirmation that the logout worked. Don't worry, signing out does not delete your account or your saved conversations. Your past chats tied to your account will be available again as soon as you log back in. Just remember which sign-in method you used previously, whether that was email, Apple, or Google, so you can get back in smoothly later. If you don't see the sign-out option, double-check that you're in the main settings page and not inside a sub-page. Interface layouts can change with updates, so if things look different, installing the latest app version can help. And if your connection is spotty, give the app a moment to finish the sign out. That's all there is to it. You've successfully logged out of Perplexity on your iPhone.